Hello friends, today we can see optimal page replacement. What is the meaning, what is the concept behind optimal page replacement? Replace a page that will not be used for the longest period of time. This concept we can see with an example, so we're getting a clear idea of it. It guarantees the lowest possible page fault for fixed number of frames. It gives less number of page fault. That's the main advantage of using optimal page replacement. This we called as a reference string 7012030042. Now I'm taking 3, that is 3 partition. This is a page frame, technical word. I'm taking 3 partition. That is, if a page frame is 3 means we can divide into 3. In one page frame, only one number you have to enter, not 2 numbers. 7 I'm entering, 70 entering, 701. Now I want to include 2. In this, which one is not used for longest time? We have to check out. 0 we are going to use, and 1 we are going to use, but 7 is the longest period we are not using. So in the place of 7 I am replacing 2. 0 already is there, no need to have a page frame. Then 3. In this I want to see which item I want to replace it. Previously 2 I am going to use recently, I want to use it. 0 I want to use it. 1, that is longest time I am not using. So in the place of 1 I am replacing 3. So here again 0 is there. No need to have page frame. Then 4. So in the 4, 2 I am going to use. 3 I am going to use. 0 is the longest. Compared to this 3 number, 0 is the longest time. So 2, 3, 0. 0 is the longest. So I am using, in the place of 0, 4 I am replacing. 2 already is there. 3 already is there. Now I want to include 0. Where I can include 2, recently I want to use. Again 3, recently I want to include. 4 only, longest period we are not using. So in the place of 4 I am replacing 0. Again 2 already is there. 3 already is there. So no need to include page frame for 0 and 3. 1 I want to include. So where I can include? In the place of 3 I can include, because 2 and 0 recently I want to include. For 0 already is there, 1 already is there. So 7, in the place of 2 I can replace it. 0 and 1 already is there. So no need for page frame. Now count how many page fault occur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So page fault is 9. What is page fault? The thing with the accessing page is not available in main memory, we call it as a page fault. The page fault formula is number of fault divided by number of bit in reference string. This we called as a reference string. Number of fault is 9. Number of string is 20. So 9 by 20 into 100, 45%. Then what is the advantage of using this optimal page replacement? That is, it is give lowest page fault. That is one of the advantage, and it is better than first in first out. And what are the drawback in that means? Suppose if you are using 7, we have to check whether it is we are using a next occurrence or longest period time. So prior knowledge is needed when allocating, that is when you are replacing the string. That is one drawback in the optimal page replacement. It requires a future knowledge of reference string. That is one of the drawback in this optimal page replacement, and it is better than first in first out. So these are the concept of optimal page replacement. If you see what is the page replacement means, it is a logic how to select a page to be swapped out from main memory to create space for page that has caused page fault. So that is the concept of page replacement. Thank you friends. If you have any doubt, kindly raise your questions in comment box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.